This tip goes to salespeople and sales managers. And if you're looking for a great thing to help people out, $2 a month, just $2 a month to bring awareness to this and save some of these people, ourrescue.org. That is ourrescue.org. All right, let's get to the next one, and it's the power of compliments. When you give somebody a little bit of vitamin L, a little bit of love, you win as well because you're getting that energy back from yourself. And we do like making people feel great. That's one thing about people in sales and the car business I find is that we need affirmation all the time because of all the rejection and all the brain damage and heat scores that we get. So giving compliments is one way to force yourself into an endorphin hit because you know what? People like feeling good. That's the first thing. Now, the other rule is this. We have to stop criticizing in public. So the rule is you want to compliment in public and criticize in private. This is online and face-to-face. 90+% of your business is local. It's within about an hour and a half of the dealership. You don't know who's watching that website, that Google review. You don't know who's listening in or watching in the restaurant or the the clothing store, the furniture store when you're complaining. So please complain in private, compliment in public. Wouldn't it be nice if our customers, followed that rule? Now, the other nice thing is with compliments, it helps override all the heat scores and brain damage and rejection we get all the time from sales and from our business for service advisor or whatever else, because compliments really, what goes around comes around somehow. I don't fully understand it, but I do believe it works. So here's the idea. When you are complimenting publicly out, and about doing what you're doing in a restaurant or in a furniture store or on a website, you need to start embedding your name and your dealership into that compliment. So as you're complimenting this person, it's going to be something like, and hey, you know what? I really know what I'm talking about because I sell cars at ABC Motors. Hey, I love what you've done, and I really know what I'm talking about because I manage salespeople at ABC Motors. And when you also type that kind of a thing into a Google review, you don't know who's watching, who can take advantage of your services, but you are embedding the positive feeling with your company and with you. Compliments are a great thing for everybody. Let's do more of them in a big way and then subconsciously implant our services inside that compliment. So maybe they have a chance to compliment us back when they come see us. I'm Duane. See you on the next one.